Welding is a fabrication process that joins materials by applying heat, pressure, or both to create a permanent bond. Different welding processes are selected based on material type, thickness, and application. Welding power sources control current and voltage to maintain arc stability. Heat affects metal structure and determines weld strength and quality. Joint design directly influences penetration and load-bearing capacity. Welding position affects technique, heat control, and welder skill requirements. Understanding defects helps welders prevent failures and improve quality. Welding safety protects operators from physical and chemical hazards. Inspection ensures welds meet design and safety requirements. Professional welding combines correct preparation, technique, and quality control.